How to add watch icon in Facebook shortcut bar. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And as you can see, the video icon is not included in the shortcut bar. So let's go ahead and add it. Click on the three lines at the top right corner, then go to your settings, and here you need to scroll down to the preferences section and click on shortcuts. Then click on shortcut bar. And here you will see the available shortcuts, and you will find the watch icon with a drop down next to it. Click on it, and from these options at the bottom, select pin, which will keep this shortcut in your navigation bar. Once the shortcut has been pinned, you need to close Facebook and then open it again. And there you have it. You will find the video shortcut has been added to the navigation or shortcuts bar. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add the video icon to your Facebook shortcut bar. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.